If you're enjoying the free content and also learning a lot, send a blessing of appreciation over to your girl at $Earthlocs via Cash App. Thank you guys in advance. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the video. What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this right here, reverse fishtail braid. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So the first thing we want to do to get started with this braid is take 2 locks from the top, and we're going to do 2 twists. Starting off to the left, 1 and 2. Okay, just like so. And just like any other fishtail braid, you see we have our 2 twists here, and this lock is going over. So the next lock is of course going to come over this way. But unlike the other braid that we did where we were taking the locks and it was going over into the braid, we're going to completely flip it, and this is coming under and around. So I'll show you what I mean. So from our 2 twists, we have this lock going over. I'm going to take this lock here, and we're going to take that lock. It's going to come under, okay, and around, just like so, okay? And we're going to continue. So this lock came over. Our next lock is going to come over. So if this lock comes over this side, you know we're pulling from this side. We're going to take this lock over here. It's going to come under and around, just like so, okay? So the next lock, starting from the outer perimeter, all the way over here, we're coming under, everything, over, around, and down, okay? Now, unlike the other braid, we started pulling from the middle and going over. We're starting from the outer and then going in. So we're going to take the lock from under. Now we're going to cross it over. This lock from the outer, it comes under everything, just like so, around and down, okay? Again, outer lock comes under everything, around and down. Continuing with our braid, we're going to go ahead and get those inner locks, and we're going to take this one on this side. It comes under everything, over, around, and down, okay? That next lock, under everything, over, around, and down. Take this lock on the outer portion, under everything, under, around, and down. Okay? Outer lock comes under everything, under, around, and down. Okay? Then we're going to go ahead to those inner locks. Okay? The ones under the braid. We're going to take one, it comes under everything, around and down. The next one comes under everything, around and down. Okay? Same method. Outer lock comes under everything, around and down. Okay? Outer lock comes under everything, around and down. Okay? We're going to get those inner locks. But there's only one here, but we're going to bring it around. If you are reaching a point in the braid where there are no locks to add, we're just going to continue our same method, okay? So we're going to take a lock. This is the first lock. We're going to take that lock from the under. It comes around and down, okay? This becomes the first lock. Take that second one, and we're going to come under, around, and down. And we're going to continue. Okay, until we reach the point in the braid where we want to add, just like so, outer lock, under everything, comes under everything, around, down. Okay, take that lock from the back, under, around, down. We're not going to be adding any locks right now, so we're just going to continue our stitch, coming under everything, around and down, grabbing locks from the inner portion, under everything, around, down, under everything, around, down, under everything, around, down, under everything, around, down. We've reached the point in the braid where we want to add locks, okay? So we're gonna take, we have 2 more left. We're gonna take one from this side here. It's gonna come under everything, same thing, around and down, okay? This one comes under everything, around and down. Now we're at the point in the braid where we don't have any more locks to add, so we're gonna do the exact same method.
No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah. Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Original Batman. Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Here at the end of the braid, and we just have our little stragglers, but on this side it's pretty much like a little bit of locks, and I'm just going to show you guys how to end this braid. So with this lock here, we're just going to flip into a barrel roll. Okay, and we're just gonna pick up a new lock, longer one, and continue the barrel roll. And if you don't know how to do a barrel roll, please check out my video here at the top of the screen. If you can continue your same method all the way down to the very end, very much do so. But when you reach the point where you can't do this anymore, just flip into the barrel roll, just like you see here. I've done it to the end, and then I just flipped into the barrel roll. And just barrel roll all the way to the very end and secure it with a rubber band. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.